Healing Our Village presents
COVID Conversations.
Where does she get her information from? Do you watch TV with her?
All of these things that we
Learn
find
about
in
staying
African Americans increase your susceptibility to getting the virus, especially this more contagious
Determine
Delta
the
virus.
facts.
Right now, in hospitals throughout the country, but most certainly in
Hear
the
from
South.
the community.
What happens if it's positive? So you do not want to take the risk.
You need to ask those questions.
What made you come?
Because I want to get vaccinated so me and my family won't have COVID.
Hi, this is Dr. Lenore Coleman coming to you live here today at Divine Faith Ministries International. That's DFMI. We are here in Jonesboro, Georgia. We are doing a health fair as part of Total Lifestyle Change and Healing Our Village. And I just want to thank all of you out there who are looking at us today. If you're in Jonesboro, Riverdale, Morrow, Stockbridge, if you're close, I need you to come on down here. We're going to be here for a little while longer, till 5 p.m. We're doing height, weight, blood pressures, blood sugars. We're doing COVID vaccinations. Really important. Bring your medicines. We have pharmacists here that can talk to you about it. So we want you to come on down. And we are so lucky because I just grabbed Dr. Forbes here. She is one of the members of DFMI, but she's also a physician. And she's doing something really special now, feeding the hungry. Hold on one second. So Dr. Forbes, tell us. Say hi.
Hi, my name is Dr. Tiffanni Forbes. I'm an internal medicine physician and a wonderful member of this wonderful church, DFMI. Right now, actually, I have been a volunteer with Hosea Feeds the Hungry for over a decade. I actually call it a family affair because my mother, my daughter, as well as my brother and son have all been out there volunteering for over the last 10 years. Since COVID, we have noticed that there is a need for food, not just Popeyes and McDonald's, but healthy food. And we noticed that in the Black community, there's a lot of food deserts. Sometimes I call them food safaris because there's nothing there. And so really with Hosea Feeds the Hungry, they have been doing a wonderful job for over 50 years in feeding the hungry, and particularly in the Atlanta area. They're making their outreach more into Clayton County, and I said, I'm on board. So through Hosea Feeds the Hungry, we have been giving out fresh foods, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, organic foods, organic meats and dairies, as well as a whole assortment of food. And we try to do that at least twice a month here at Divine Faith. So yes, so that's the part that we're doing and trying to heal our community.
We're here now with the food folks, so come on down if you want to get some food. They're here in the parking lot. I wanted to ask you about COVID though. I have folks here vaccinating. I know that you're vaccinated. Just tell the audience what you think about vaccinations and should they do it or not do it.
If you haven't gotten vaccinated, you should be vaccinated. I know that there is a memorandum or they've reversed the mask mandate, and a lot of people think that this pandemic is over. The pandemic is not officially over, guys. We're still in a pandemic. COVID is still very prevalent. And in our community, COVID kills African Americans at a much higher rate. We tend to have all of those underlying problems like hypertension, diabetes, obesity, all those things that become an issue when you get COVID. So please, if you haven't been vaccinated, please get vaccinated. If you've been vaccinated and you need to get your second vaccination, it's time to get that second vaccination. And if you don't know, there is a third vaccination that is available. So if you are a candidate for any type of vaccination, first, second, or third, you need to get it done now.
Exactly. So we're here doing vaccinations not only for adults but for kids. So if you have your kids out there, they're about to go to summer camp. They're about to do all sorts of athletic activities this summer. They'll be playing together. Come on down here and get them vaccinated. It's very important. So thank you. I pulled you away. I love it. Thank you. This was our COVID conversation. We're down here at Divine Faith Ministries International, 9800 Tar Boulevard. Come on down. We'll be here till 5 p.m. Thank you. TLC provides exit interviews with licensed healthcare providers to evaluate screening results and review medication therapy. We have opened the Wellness Connections Elder Care and Diabetes Management Center located in Jonesboro, Georgia. Our address is 177 North Main Street. At the Wellness Center, we provide diabetes classes, home health care services, nutritional workshops, and even cooking demonstrations. TLC needs your generous support to bring our outreach program to your community. Your generous support makes it possible for Total Lifestyle Change to provide our educational workshops, our health fairs, our cooking demonstrations, and our church-based program to underserved communities nationwide. To donate to TLC, go to tlc-global.org. Please consider making a tax-deductible donation today in any amount that you would like. For more information, contact Dr. Lenore Coleman, President and Founder of Total Lifestyle Change, at drcoleman@healingourvillage.com. Thank you so much.